This is the part that matters. Every video URL from the channel, titles included, shorts, and long form ready to export. Most people click through YouTube Studio one page at a time and still miss half the list. I've made this free tool just for you so you can export every video URL with one click of a button. Once you get the tool, you will need to get a YouTube API key. And if you don't know how to do that, it's super simple, but you can just click this button right here for some help. Then you are going to put in your YouTube handle. From there, hit the fetch videos button and boom, done. So there are 94 videos loaded in seconds. So you have what type of video it is. Is it a short? Is it a long? You have the URL, the date that it was created, and the title. Now you can even filter through. So you can go shorts only, long only, or all in a matter of seconds. Once you get your list, you can copy the URLs or you can export the URLs to a CSV, and then you can do whatever you want with those. Now, I built this tool using Cursor, and I'm going to give you the prompt if you want to make any changes. But for this, I don't think you will need to make any changes. It is just perfect right out of the box. So you will get this prompt, and then you're just going to put it right here in the box, and then you're going to hit enter. And then it will create a Python tool, which you can use on your computer. So if you need to make any changes, you can do that. You can put it in Cursor or any other AI tool. Now here comes the best part. You get this tool for free. So if you go to caseybuildsit.com, you can view it in the files. If you want to read a little bit more about the tool, you can. You can download the prompt and the tool right here. Or you can just go to free tools and then you can see every tool that I offer all for free. If you guys have any questions about this tool or any recommendations for another build, let me know. And until next time, download Cursor or use any other AI tool and see how you can make your life easier.